how to do a quick zoom in your CapCut application. If you want to add this feature on your video in CapCut, then this video is for you. First of all, open your CapCut application and choose a video in which you want to do a quick zoom. Then, first of all, select your video and add a keyframe. Once you add a keyframe on the button, you will see an option of animation. Hit on that. Now, from there, scroll to the right, you will see an option of zoom. Simply select the zoom and you can increase the intensity as well. Here you can see you have easily added a quick zoom in your CapCut. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.